happy birthday, happy dedication day. Lahat surprise from birth hanggang sa ngayon, na-surprise si Daddy Lo. Kaya ang wish ko sa'yo, makilala mo si God at i-bless ka na mamuhay ka according sa plan ni God sa'yo. Mahal na mahal ka ni Daddy Lo, Munchi Muntisoy. I love you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Mon. God bless you. Good health always.
Happy birthday, man!
Happy birthday, man!
Happy birthday, Moon. Sana lumaki ka may takot sa Diyos at kay Mami at Daddy mo. At good luck sa paglaki mo at sa sunod sa mga future mo.
Moon, happy birthday. Sana mawag kang malusog at takot sa Diyos. At wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Moon! Sana maging katulad ka ni Kuya Cloud mo na may takot sa Diyos, may respeto, at mabait na bata. Happy birthday, Moon!
Happy birthday. Maging mabait ka pag malaki mo.
Happy birthday, Mon. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at may a good boy.
Moon, happy birthday. Welcome to Philippines. Ang wish ni dito sa'yo ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos at maging matalino. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Even the clouds are happy. Given the sky.
Happy first birthday, Moon. Masaya kami na bumalik kayo rito na makita ka namin. I speak blessings sa buhay mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Eyes see the world just like a
Hi,
child.
Cloud. Happy first birthday. Sana yun, alam ko naman na lalaki ka ng mabuting bata. Masunurin kasi ang strong ng parents mo. Marami ka pang visit dito sa Philippines. Sana huwag mo kami makakalimutan. Ito yung first birthday na pinaka maganda. Like, nakaka-surprise. Enjoy your day kahit alam kong tulog ka ngayon. Bye!
Living it sweet and simple. Discover an easy way.
The Bible says, be strong and courageous. So, Moon, be strong and courageous as you grow old. Happy birthday.
Be shy.
Hello, Mon! We love you, Mon! Happy birthday! We're happy na nakita ka namin personally. Thank you and mag-ingat kayo ng buong mong pamilya dito at sa Canada. Maraming salamat. We love you, Mon!
God bless you, Moon. Happy birthday. Jeremiah 29:11 says, "My plans are good and not for me." So, thank you so much for having us on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Mon. Masaya kami na-invite mo kami dito sa birthday mo. Sana lumaki ka na unang-una may takot sa Diyos, takot sa parents, at makuha mo yung dream mo paglaki mo. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday again.
Happy birthday! We love you! God bless!
Ayan. Hi Moon! Happy birthday! Ayan, alam namin na baby ka pa, hindi mo pa ito alam, pero once na mapanood mo ito paglaki mo, malalaman mo na pinush namin to, ginawa namin to para sa'yo, para maramdaman mo kung gaano ka ka-importante sa amin. No? From Canada, umuwi tayo to Philippines. Ayun lang, mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you!
Happy birthday, Moon. You are unexpected answer prayer talaga. So, stay healthy and be a good boy. So, I love you. Happy birthday with Kuya Cloud. Happy birthday.